Abridged Prospectus Section 2, 1. The abridged prospectus summarizes key details required for informed investment decisions as per SEBI guidelines, ensuring concise information for investors. Key features. 1. Condensed information. It includes the crucial information about the company and the securities being offered, extracted from the full prospectus. 2. Compliance. The format and content are prescribed by SEBI in consultation with the central government. 3. Accessibility. It ensures that potential investors have quick and easy access to important information without going through the entire prospectus. 4. Investor protection. It helps in protecting investors by providing them with the key facts and figures necessary to understand the investment opportunity. Components of an abridged prospectus. While the exact content may vary based on regulatory requirements, an abridged prospectus generally includes 1. Company details, basic information about the company, including its name, registration number, date of incorporation, and contact details. 2. Promoters and management, information about the company's promoters, directors, and key management personnel. 3. Business overview, a brief overview of the company's business activities, industry, and market position. 4. Financial information, key financial data, including revenue, profit, and major financial ratios from recent financial statements. 5. Securities offered, details about the securities being offered, such as the type, number, price, and any associated rights. 6. Risk factors, a summary of the main risks associated with the company and the securities being offered. 7. Use of proceeds, information on how the funds raised through the securities offering will be used by the company. 8. Legal and regulatory disclosures, any significant legal and regulatory matters concerning the company. Importance of an abridged prospectus. Simplification. It simplifies the investment process by providing investors with a clear and concise summary of the essential aspects of the full prospectus. Informed decision-making. Investors can make more informed decisions as they can quickly understand the key features and risks of the investment. Regulatory compliance. Companies comply with regulatory requirements by providing an abridged prospectus, thereby enhancing transparency and trust in the capital markets.